Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to talk about text component. Let's go to the code. We create the root. Now we need to create the text component. Now let's look at the text component. This area is the text component. Now let's enter some data into it. Here I'm saying that on the text component, on the line number 1 and the first character. So the first line, this character number 0. Put this sentence. Let's have a look. So here, this is at the beginning, this is line 1, character 1. Line 1, character 1. Character starts from 0. Line starts from 1, character starts from 0. So we are saying here, line 1, character 0 means from the beginning, and we insert this sentence. Now if you look at here, the hello is HELL is here, O is here. If you want to wrap based on the word so that we bring down the hello in the next line, we can do this. And configure the text box by saying wrap is word. Now if I run it, look at here, it wraps based on the word. So instead of putting hello here, it brings it to the next line. Now let's print some data from our text box. Let's print from text.get from the line 1 character 0 or the first character to the end of the text box. Whatever is there, show us. So this one says from the first character of the first line to the last character of the last line. Everything in the text box, we want to show it here in the console. So look at here, hello, 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 and the next line is what? So if you look at here, this hello is on the next line, but it is showed on the next line, but it is on the not next line. It's not on the next line. It is on the same line. We just wrapped it and put it here. But all this is the first line. This is the second line. If you look at here, everything is on the first line, and then we have new line, and then what? So what is on the next line? So if you look at here, everything is on the first line, and then what? Now let's print something else. Text.get from the line 1 character, first character, to the line 1 but end of the line 1. The difference is in this statement we start from the first line first character to the end of the end line end character. Means first line first character and end line end character, everything is in it. But in here, first line first character and the end of the first line, so it should be all hello. There shouldn't be what in it, because what is in the second line. So let's have a look. Look, we only have hello here because what is in the next line and we don't show it. Now let's delete something. Text dot delete line 1 first character. So from line 1 first character we will do the delete. We delete one character. There is no H here. H is removed because H was on the line 1 and character 1, character 0, the first character I mean, and it is removed. We can do more with delete. We can say text delete so here we are saying that do the delete on above it. Here we are saying just remove the first line first character, so it means that only the first character is removed. But here we are saying that from the first line and first character till the end of the first line, line 1, line end, till the end of the first line, everything should be removed. Get here? Line 1 is removed. We don't have anything on line 1. Now do another one. From 1.0 to line 3, line end. So we start from beginning to the end of line 3. We remove everything. Look at here. This box is empty because we removed everything. Now let's look at another functionality, which is replace. In replace, we say okay, from the first line first character means from the beginning of the text box to the end of line 1 we insert this sentence. So let's have a look here. From the beginning till the end of the line means the first line, we are inserting this string. Now continue. State, we make text box disabled. Look, I cannot enter anything in it. And return it to normal by saying state equals normal. Now it should be editable again. Yes, it is editable. Now let's go to something interesting. We have a concept of tag and mark. Let me show you how this works. So we say text.tag add. We want to add a tag. We need to name it. So I will say my tag. And what is this tag? From the line 1 first character to the first line end of the first word end. So we start from the first line, we go to the first line to the first end of the first word, and we tag it as my tag. So if the first, for example, if this is the line, this from the one to the one word end means this word. So by doing this, we are tagging this so we can manipulate it. For example, what can we do? We can say text dot tag configure, which tag, my tag. And what do you want to do? We want to change the background color to yellow. So let's have a look. Look at this one. So this is our first line. We are saying that get the first word and tag it as my tag. Here we are saying that my tag is the first word in the first line, and then we say, okay, get my tag, whatever it is, change the background color to yellow, which you can see it is yellow. Now we can delete it. When we finished, we can say text dot tag delete, which tag, my tag. Nothing should happen after that. Yes. We remove the tag so you don't see the yellow word here anymore. The next one is mark. It's the same as tag, but mark is the position. For example, we say text dot mark set. We want to set a mark. The name of the mark is my mark, and where do we want to mark? End of the text in the text box. So we say whatever is in the text box, find end of it, it doesn't matter which line, find end of it, and the end character, end position should be set as my mark. So for example here, this is the first line. My mark is here at the end of it. So it finds the statement in the text box, goes to the end of it, which we are here say end of it. It comes in here at the end of the line, and it mark it as my mark. Now we can say, now that my mark shows at the end of the statement, we can do something. We can say text.insert where at my mark, which is end of the statement. What we want to do, we want to add this. Let's have a look. Okay, so if you look at here, end of the line was my mark, and we inserted at the my mark means end of the line a minus symbol, which is here. Now that we entered the minus, end of the line is now after this minus, so we can insert something else to that. Text.insert again at my mark, now this time plus. Have a look. Now this time end of my mark is here, and we add the plus here. It's very easy way to instead of every time finding the end of the statement or end of the sentence, we can define the my mark or any mark. We can mark that part. It can be end or anywhere else. It doesn't have to be end. It can be anywhere else. We can mark it, and after that we can work with the mark. And we can also remove the mark with saying mark unset, which mark, my mark. And yeah, that's finished. One more thing that we can do is we can add an image inside the text input. For example, we can say image equals photo image. This is the name of my file. Text image create. We want to insert. What do you want to insert? Image. And what is our image? Image is our image. This one here. Now let's have a look. So we have an image here now. On the text box, we have image. So that's all for today. In the next video, I will show you how to work with tree view. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching and see you later.